So hello guys, in this video we are going to start a new series of making cue cards. So let's get started. Our first cue card is describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. So it is the first market cue card of latest file. So let's try to make this cue card. Like if your exam is going to be held, then please try to make these type of stories so that you can score a lot of bands, because there will be a lot of marks of cue card singly. Okay, so let's start making this cue card. As for the opportunity of talking about something that was broken at my house, I would like to specifically talk about the electronic products. Basically 2 years ago, when my elder brother's marriage was going to be held, so that was the time when lightning struck at the antenna of my house. So unfortunately, majority of the electronical products like fridge, television, microwave, toaster, and etc., all of that the things were broken down, and electronically short circuit was all over around my house. So we hired a team of engineers, like who were electrical engineers, because it was a necessity at the time because of the marriage which was going to be held. And luckily we had all the insurances so that we could claim that we were supposed to get all the things back which were broken down. So that same thing happened, and after having all the things refurbished and new, all the engineers showed their talent and magic. Like we made all the damages which were done by the lightning, and that's how the things were broken down at the first, and after that all the things were repaired. So like this is the ending of my cue card, all the students. Like you can make these type of cue cards. Like if you make these type of cue cards, these type of stories, unique stories, not speaking the traditional stories, so you can gain a lot of bands, because at the time when this cue card will be asked to majority of the students, if your story is unique, then you will stand apart from all of the students which will be speaking about the same story. Okay, so let's follow my Instagram if you're watching this video on the Instagram, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to have, or if you want to get the Ielts classes just for 2,999 rupees per month, then please call me on the given numbers 99147 89567. Okay, thanks for watching this video.